जब आप एक प्रोजेक्ट की कास्टिंग कर रहे होते हो ना, तो सबसे पहला सवाल पूछा जाता है कि हीरो कौन है।
We knew we'd have to cast someone who was a good actor, who had a good comic timing, who had a decent fan following, but most importantly, who did it for the passion of it, not for the money.
कुछ जान पहचान के एक्टर फ्रेंड्स थे हमारे, जैसे कि वरुण ठाकुर, हुसैन दलाल, राघव जुएल और नमित दास। लेकिन इन सबके साथ ना या तो बजट की प्रॉब्लम थी या तो डेट्स की।
It was quite practical actually. Why would they do a project जहाँ पे कुछ भी सर्टन नहीं था versus the more better and lucrative projects which were being offered to them at that time? डिसीजन उनके लिए बहुत सिंपल था ये।
पर मुझे हमारे मटेरियल पे फुल कॉन्फिडेंस था, क्योंकि एक बात तो थी, जिसने भी ये कहानी सुनी थी ना हमारी, उन सबको ये कहानी पसंद तो बहुत आई थी।
By now we had become really experts at getting rejected. पर हमने भी अपना मन बना लिया था। We had decided that we were going to do it. लेकिन फिर ख्याल आता था कि साला अपना प्रोटैगनिस्ट बनेगा कौन?
और फिर हमें अक्की का ख्याल आया, अखलाक खान। Aki was one of the characters in our first movie Question Mark. He was an underrated actor, but साले की कॉमिक टाइमिंग कमाल थी।
हम लोग ज़्यादा होपफुल नहीं थे, लेकिन फिर हमने सोचा चलो इसको कॉल लगा ही लेते हैं।
Yeah, so one day Yash Allison called and I think it was Allison on the phone and he asked me कि तुझे याद है एक कुछ 1.5 साल पहले मैंने तुझे एक स्क्रिप्ट मेल की थी, फोन अ फ्रेंड, तो तूने पढ़ी थी? एक्चुअली 1.5 साल पहले उन्होंने एक स्क्रिप्ट मुझे भेजी थी एंड इट वाज रिटन इन इंग्लिश एंड दे वांटेड मी टू लाइक translate it in Hindi with some Hindi flavor. He asked me, पढ़ी थी तूने? And मैंने नहीं पढ़ी थी, honestly. तो but I said हाँ पढ़ी थी मैंने, अच्छी थी, बता ना. He was like, we have planned to start it on our own. तो will you be on board? I was like हाँ लिख लूँगा मैं, it's okay. And he was like नहीं लिखेगा तो तू हिंदी में, but as the lead actor, are you interested? And I was like, yes, why not? नेकी और पूछ but I told them कि मुझे थोड़ा सा टाइम दो, I'll get back. So मैंने फ़ोन रखा, फटाफट मैंने पूरी स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी and I loved it. स्टोरी मुझे पता थी पहले से, but जिस तरह से सारे सीन्स लिखे हुए थे, it was fun. I immediately called them and I was like, हाँ I'm gonna do it, let's do it. So they said, but there is one problem. And I was like, what? There's no money. And they're like, ठीक है. See, I really like the script. And at times, as an actor, you want to do a project because of the project and not because of the byproduct that is money, fame, etc. And this was one script where as the actor I would get to do all the things that an actor wants to do. There was romance, there was comedy, there was music. I think apart from action मैंने सब कुछ किया है. They even made me jerk off on the screen. And it was total fun. So I was like, yes, I'll do it. Especially my character goes through a transformation from a loser to this समझदार guy, and whatever happens to him. It was a beautiful journey of the character Varun. So yes, I was on board.
और जैसे ही उसने हाँ बोला, we knew this was happening.
After waiting for 3 long years, हमारी गाड़ी फाइनली स्टेशन से निकल चुकी थी।
अब अकी ऑन बोर्ड आ चुका था and now it was time to find our lead actress, our जिया। एक इंसान को मैं जानता था who was perfect for this role and her name was Swati Kapoor.
But by now she was a very big television actress. तो हमने सोचा हाँ कैसे बोलेगी?
कैसे बोलेगी?
बताते हैं ना अगले एपिसोड में।